Imagine standing at the dawn of a technological revolution, much like the early days of the internet, but this time for money. Bitcoin, a name that resonates with mystery and excitement, could potentially reshape the landscape of global finance. But is it truly the groundbreaking future of money or just a digital fantasy? Bitcoin stands at the crossroads of controversy and innovation, challenging our traditional views on money. Born in the digital era, its journey from an obscure digital currency to a potential financial revolution makes it a topic of heated debates. This essay aims to unpack the complex layers of Bitcoin, examining whether it can truly be the future of money. Bitcoin is a form of digital currency, independent of traditional banking. It was created in 2009 by an unknown person using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. The currency operates on a technology called blockchain, which ensures security and anonymity to its users. In the wake of the 2008 financial crisis, Bitcoin emerged as a response to the perceived instability and manipulation of fiat currencies by governments and banks. Satoshi Nakamoto conceptualized a new form of money that was decentralized and digital, aiming to restore power back to the people. At its core, Bitcoin runs on a system known as a blockchain, a digital ledger comprising all transactions, maintained by a network of computers. Bitcoin miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems and in turn, confirm transactions and add them to the blockchain. From its inception, Bitcoin quickly gained the attention of tech enthusiasts and investors alike. Its value has seen dramatic fluctuations, reaching nearly $20,000 in 2017, then tumbling down and soaring even higher in subsequent years, highlighting its volatile nature. Despite its potential, Bitcoin faces significant hurdles. Its scalability issue limits transactions per second, causing delays and higher transaction fees. Furthermore, the immense energy consumption of Bitcoin mining has raised environmental concerns globally. Supporters argue that Bitcoin offers financial freedom, especially in regions where local currencies are unstable. Its decentralized nature eliminates the need for intermediaries, potentially reducing corruption and increasing financial inclusivity. Bitcoin is not without its critics. It has been associated with illegal activities due to its anonymity. Moreover, its extreme price volatility makes it a risky investment for the average person, questioning its suitability as a stable currency. In conclusion, Bitcoin represents a fascinating experiment in the realm of money. Whether it will become the universally accepted future of money remains uncertain. However, its impact on the financial world is undeniable, and it continues to challenge and inspire innovations in digital transactions. As Bitcoin continues to evolve, its journey may very well shape the future of how we perceive and use money in an increasingly digital world. Whether it ascends to the envisioned heights or crumbles under its challenges, Bitcoin's legacy will undoubtedly influence the future of financial transactions. If you enjoyed diving into the intriguing world of Bitcoin with us, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Check out our recommended videos to continue exploring how technology is transforming our financial systems and daily lives. Your engagement helps us bring more such fascinating topics to you. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.